Hey everyone, this is Patrick, Jericho Union Free School District Director of Technology, and today I'd like to walk you through signing into portal.office.com, where you have access to the Office suite of apps, and you can even download them for use at home. And this video goes hand in hand with the video on ClassLink, because now you'll be able to use ClassLink to access the files stored on your shared drive at work. So anything you've been saving to your home folder at work, you'll now be able to access at your home. And you can use portal.office.com, the apps there, to edit the stuff you have saved. And I think that's pretty convenient. We're going to start off at jerichoschools.org, as we often do. Hover over Departments and click on the Technology link. On the Technology page, we're going to scroll down to the bottom. On the left-hand side, click Remote Learning. So what you'll find here is a whole bunch of information on a whole bunch of remote learning resources. But specifically, we're going to focus on ClassLink and Office. So right now I'm going to click on this link down towards the bottom, portal.office.com. And that's going to take me to my Microsoft account. Now you can see I have a few accounts. Hopefully you don't have quite so many. I'm going to click on the test teacher account, which is the one I'm using for this. And now I have to put in the test teacher password. And I'm going to click sign in. I'm not going to save the password at this time. You may not be prompted for that. So now you're signed in and you can use Office to do any kind of editing you're interested in. We can open Outlook from here. We can open Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So let's open up Word. Let's create a new document. What's really cool about this is that now you have Word within your browser. So you can do any kind of editing, writing, sharing that you want to do from right within your browser if you navigate to portal.office.com. Another thing you might choose to do, now I'm going back here to my Office apps. I may want to go to Office 365, go back to that main link, and I may want to install Office on my home computer. So if you want to do that, just click Office 365 apps or go through the other installation options. And that's it. You now have access to the Office 365 suite of apps either in your browser or on your machine. Thanks for watching.